Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Today we're going to tackle a common problem for many Android users face: not being able to install or update apps from the Google Play Store. We'll go through a few simple steps to get your apps downloading and updating smoothly again. Let's get started. First, let's make sure your internet connection is working properly. Open your browser and try to load a website. If the website loads, your internet connection is fine. If not, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Next, let's check if you have enough storage space on your device. Sometimes lack of space can prevent apps from downloading or updating. Go to the settings. Then on storage, here you'll see how much free space you have. If it's low, consider deleting some files or uninstalling unused apps to free up space. If your internet connection is fine and you have enough storage, the next step is to clear the cache and data for the Google Play Store. Go to the settings, then apps and notification. Go to apps. Now scroll down and tap on Google Play Store. Then tap on Storage. You'll see options to clear cache and clear data. Tap both. Now restart your device. This simple step can often fix many issues. Next, ensure your date and time settings are correct. Go to Settings. Then tap on System. Go to Date and Time. Make sure Automatic Date and Time is enabled. If you're still having trouble, make sure your Google Play services are up to date. Open the Google Play Store. Now search for Google Play services and tap Update if the option is available. As a last resort, you can uninstall and reinstall updates for the Google Play Store. Go to Settings. Then find Apps. Then find Google Play Store. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Uninstall Updates. This will revert the Play Store to its factory version. Then reopen the Play Store and it will automatically update to the latest versions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues with installing or updating apps from the Google Play Store. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be facing the same problem. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.